with 3D Infotech to show you how to create custom layouts for your inspection reports. Here I have the start of an example report made using PolyWorks default layout. I'll start customizing by changing the logo picture for the cover page. I'll insert an image from File, and then align and resize it. Next, I want to make a custom report property to replace this drawing number. To create a report property, click on the File button located within the report window, and click on Properties. Here you can add report properties. In this case, I'll create a batch number and give it a value. To replace the drawing number property with a batch number, I'll simply select the text, right-click, insert report properties, and you'll see my custom batch number property is available at the bottom. I'll double-click on the drawing number text field to replace that to batch number as well. Now we want to save this so that we can use it on other inspector projects. To do that, click on the same File button and click Save as Layout. Now to use it on a new project, we'll want to navigate to the Inspector Options, expand the Objects button, and within the Reports menu, change the report layout to that file that we saved. Click Apply and OK. Creating a customized layout gives you control of the report content and saves you the time and hassle of customizing multiple reports.